Hi there, I'm back with my math notebook. You should have your math notebook and a pencil ready to go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up to the first clean page and I'm going to make sure I have my two lines. I drew mine with orange markers so that you could see them. If you draw yours with pencil, that is A-okay. Now I'm going to switch to my whiteboard and I'm going to draw on here so it's a little bigger and easier for you to see. But this is exactly what you should do in your math notebook. Today we are going to be making a list of numbers and we're going to be practicing skip counting. And you can pause this video at any time. And I also have the numbers linked on another page. So we are going to start with the number 63. So in that first spot of your math notebook, write the number 63. And I want you to skip count by twos. So count on by twos. So here we go, get ready for me, 63, 64, 65. So I know the next number in this sequence would be 65. And you can, of course, use your 100 chart to help you. Count on by twos, 65, 66, 67. Count on by twos, 67, 68, 69. If you wanted to keep going, that'd be great. You can challenge yourself, 69, 70, 71. To challenge yourself, if you wanted to skip count and fill in all that space, you can. And if you just want to do the first 3 or 4 numbers, that's fine too. Okay, now we are going to practice skip counting with another number. So we're going to move over here to the next empty square and we are going to skip count by 5, but this time we're going to start with the number 30. So when you skip count by 5, you need to count on by 5s. You can certainly use your 100 chart to help you, or you can use your fingers, or you can use what you know up in your head. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And I'm going to keep going, doing the first 3 or 4, and I can of course challenge myself and keep skip counting to fill in this space. Next, we are going to skip count by 10. You can use your 100 chart to help you with this. We are going to start with the number right here. We're going to start with the number 28. Now this one is a good one to have your 100 chart for, and we're going to start talking about tricks for how to figure out 28 plus 10. If you want to count on your fingers, you can. If you want to count on your 100 chart, you can. Or if you want to start using tricks to recognize how you find the next number in that sequence, use your 100 chart. Find the number 28 and go straight down. That is a shortcut way, remember, to count by tens. So 28, 38, and keep going using your fingers, using your mind. Keep going, counting by tens 3 or 4 times. And again, I'll have this linked so that you can see this. Okay. Now we're going to move to a bigger number. This time though we're going to only count by ones, but I want to write a bigger number up here on the board. My number is 310. And I need to figure out the next number in this sequence. And sometimes at the beginning of the year, it can be kind of hard to remember, and some kids think, well, they don't know the 300s very well. Well, there's a really easy rule if we just look at the pattern. And what I like to do is just cover up that 300. Can you see that? And pretend like it's 10. What comes after 10? Oh yeah, 11 does. So 311 is the next in that sequence. What comes after 11? Oh, 12 does. So 312 is the next in that sequence. Then 300, oh, what comes after 12? 13. So that is your work today. I want you to practice this on your own in your notebook and then take a fabulous picture for me.